Welcome back, Cryptonauts. This is the Cryptoverse for 12/26. Hope everyone had a good holiday. I'm just going to make this video about Bitcoin today, just to keep it a little bit short for everybody. You guys noticed the last video, we were waiting on the ABC retrace down here. Unfortunately, it did come down 1, 2, 3, a little bit lower than expected, but we did have a nice recovery here in a short amount of time. So this is all strong area right here. As you guys can see, a bunch of little wicks here. It's just caused by it dropping suddenly and then coming back up almost as quick. So what we're going to want to look for now, this is the 4-hour chart. And remember, if you guys look at the CS here, it's kind of, in a little bit of a crowded area. We're in the cloud. So this is just going to be, still kind of bouncing back and forth. We have our candle here that's trying to break through the cloud. So what this tells me is this might actually, break the cloud and then kind of drop down. We got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. And this would complete a leg up to the top of the structure. And remember, if we do come back, let's get rid of this. We have the overall, movement up, and then we have 1, 2, 3, and then hopefully up to make this bigger pattern. Right? Remember, all waves are made of smaller waves. So this leg down was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just get rid of this. So that's mainly, this looks like it's playing out into that. So we're going to try to make it to the top of the structure here, which is about 20,000 again, and then hopefully break through. So what we can wait on, if you guys aren't in, just wait for this break, obviously. And like I said, this probably is going to come down a little bit. What's going to happen is the cloud will finally twist to the bullish, right? We'll just make this green. And then hopefully, continue our wave structure back up. So if we do pop on a fib level, just to get an idea, we can go from, this top here at 20 down to our low. And for anybody that knows the fib levels, our extensions that we're looking for are 1272 and 1618. I'm really liking this area here because it's like the 25K area. It's just psychological level to me. It screams psychological level. You're going to have probably a lot of orders, and there's, there might be some stuff going down there. So, but hopefully with this run, we get the new support level of 20K, which would be great. But right, so just be patient out there, So if we go into the 1 hour, this 1 hour is just working out perfectly. We have a cloud twist. We have the cloud twist, TK cross, and the CS break as well. So this, the 3 signals that we were waiting on, all confirmed on the 1 hour, which hopefully will cause this, to break the cloud, come up, wiggle up, and make the 5-wave structure or the ABC leg up to complete the whole consolidation pattern. Now, it doesn't have to be the 1, 2, 3 up. We can also see, let me just change this, maybe like a 4, 5, and then finally up. It just depends. Like I said, patience is a virtue. So make sure you guys are just kind of sitting on your hands. And we're all long and strong anyway, so it's just fun to follow the patterns and see if these things work out. What else do we have here? I don't have the AO on, but I did want to show you guys that. We're waiting, the divergence was showing on the AO. If you guys remember back here on 1218, 1219, we were looking for any kind of movement up in the AO to signify that this would actually finally be done retracing. And it finally happened yesterday through today. We've had a solid 12, 16 hours of recovery, and the trend line on the AO is finally broken. So that's a great sign. And again, this is the 4 hour. So remember, as you go out in time, the signals become a little bit stronger, a little bit better confirmation. And right, this all can be verified as well on the 1 hour. You get the cloud break, you get the TK cross, you get the cloud twist, and the CS twist here, or CS break. And that just caused it to currently run up. So that's kind of what we're looking for. If we can get to the top of this structure here and maybe make this little consolidation pattern and then finally shoot up to 25, we might possibly see that before the new year, which would be, ideal. I want to keep this video short and sweet, just to give you guys an idea what we're looking at. Even though it is bullish, we are still kind of in this consolidation pattern. So, if we shoot up to this 20K, again, we're going to want to pay attention to the AO or whatever indicator you guys are using, because we still have to get past, these other highs over here. If we draw another line on this second hill, whatever you want to call it, this could be, an area of interest that will cause it to, like I said, run up through the cloud and then maybe retrace down, which then finally gives our CS break and then the initial push up. So if you guys want any other coin analyzed this week, let me know. Just leave me a message. Hit the like, hit subscribe, and I hope you guys have a good day. We'll see you later.